Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chisom. I'm from Nigeria but living here in Poland. As most of you know, are you coming across this channel for the first time? Are you just seeing my face? Do well to subscribe. Thank you so much. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support. I see your views, your comments and likes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. So on today's video, I want to make beans. This is the beans. So I'm going to be making these beans, and for these beans I am going to be making it with sausage and tomato plum, also Mayronek, salt, so I'm going to be using Mayronek. I am also going to be using vegetable oil. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just dive right into the video. Beautiful.
Take these flowers.
I can take?
Yes.
Thank you, my love. Thank you. So this is the beans I'm going to be making today. How many? One? First thing I'm going to be doing is washing these beans. So I've added water. I'm going to turn on the gas and let these beans boil. I need the long board. I'll put this back in the fridge. I just added vegetable oil on this pan and I'm going to allow it to get hot. So guys, for the beans, I have to add I'm going to be adding my tomato plum. Add your tomatoes and stir together. Keep stirring and let it boil. But first, I'm going to be adding bay leaves. Mayronek, some chili,